I'm RJ. Welcome to my channel. And that's going to be the last time you hear me say that, because I'm referring to this as my home on YouTube. I've come here because it's just a new platform in which I'd like to share some of my creations with you. I like to make things for my home decor, a lot of things in seasonal decor. As you can see, I have here things that you've seen plenty of times all over the internet, because I like to do things that I see other people come up with. I like to try to put my own spin on it, as I have done with these two pieces. These were made 2 and 3 years ago, actually. I'm sure you guys can remember when they first were starting to appear everywhere. But what I'll be showing you here are going to be my original creations. And I'm not for the beginning crafter, I'm for the moderate to well-experienced crafter. I won't be doing tutorials. There are plenty of other fabulous crafters out there who will hold your hand and take you step by step on how to make exactly what they're making. I'm not going to do that. I'm hoping to just really inspire you, get you thinking outside the box, and hopefully you'll learn along the way from different things that I do here. So with that being said, let's get to the first original item that I've created for this Christmas 2019. Before I share with you my first creation for this year's Christmas holiday season, I want to show you what inspired me. Signage. We all like signage, most of us anyway. And while I agree that we can put vinyl lettering on plates, wood, trays, canvas, those are great and those are fine. But there are other forms of signage as well. Now, my inspiration came from this. I did not make this, I purchased this, okay? I got this at Michael's in 2018, their after Christmas sale. I loved it. It's 3D, it's different, and it pops. Love the colors. This was my inspiration in creating my own type of three-dimensional sign. And I came up with this. I use various different materials from various stores. I'm not strictly a dollar store person. I will shop at Michael's, I will shop at Hobby Lobby, and up till recently I was shopping at Pat Catan's locally. They're no longer in business. As you can see, you can probably recognize most of this right here. The Let It Snow cutout sign came from the Dollar Tree. The snowflakes that is adorned on it come from the Dollar Tree. The base come from the Dollar Tree. This is from their new Crafter's Square selection. If you have a store that has a Crafter's Square, I urge you to get in there. They have some wonderful things. This snowflake was purchased at Walmart. This was the type of signage that I wanted to create, something that I could sit amongst my other things, and I really like it. And it's very easy for you to make. Again, I'm not going to hold your hand, but it's a simple process of sticking a dowel rod into the base and then hot gluing the rest of it in place. It's very simple, but it's something that I hadn't seen done before. Hopefully you haven't either, and hopefully you've been inspired to make you a different kind of sign for your Christmas or winter decor.